Hello students, welcome to EduRev. Epithelial tissue is a sheet of closely packed cells with very little intercellular substance. It covers body surfaces, lines cavities, and forms glands. This topic is important for NEET because it is part of NCERT Class 11 chapter Structural Organization in Animals and is frequently tested for definitions, identification, and functions. Understand the concept and NCERT placement first before memorizing examples. Epithelial tissue is defined by four key features. Cells are closely packed and form continuous sheets. There is polarity with an exposed apical surface and a basal surface resting on a basement membrane. The epithelium is avascular and receives nutrition by diffusion from underlying connective tissue. Epithelia show high regenerative capacity. Structurally, NCERT classifies epithelium by shape and layering. By shape, cells are squamous, cuboidal, or columnar. By layering, epithelia are simple, stratified, and pseudostratified. Simple squamous epithelium is a single layer of flattened cells and is found in alveoli and capillaries for fast diffusion and filtration. Simple cuboidal epithelium lines kidney tubules and secreting portions of glands. Simple columnar epithelium lines the intestine and is specialized for absorption and secretion. It may have microvilli and goblet cells. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium appears layered, but all cells contact the basement membrane and it commonly bears cilia in the trachea. Stratified squamous epithelium provides protection. It can be keratinized in skin or non-keratinized in the oral cavity and esophagus. Transitional epithelium is a special stratified type that stretches and lines the urinary bladder. NCERT also treats glands as epithelial derivatives. Glands may be unicellular, for example, goblet cells, or multicellular. Multicellular glands are classified as endocrine or exocrine. Exocrine glands retain ducts and secrete onto surfaces, while endocrine glands are ductless and release hormones into blood. Modes of secretion such as Merocrine, Apocrine, and Holocrine are discussed in NCERT and are relevant for certain gland-based MCQs. In NEET, questions are asked from epithelial tissue in the form of single best answer items, image-based identification of tissue types, matching functions with structures, assertion reason questions, and fill-in-the-blank factual statements. Common traps include confusing pseudostratified with stratified epithelium, mixing up keratinized and non-keratinized types, misidentifying transitional epithelium, and misclassifying gland types. Pay attention to NCERT lines, stating that epithelium rests on a basement membrane, that it is avascular, that cells are closely packed with minimal intercellular material, and that goblet cells secrete mucus. These exact points are frequently the basis of MCQs. Quick revision recap. Epithelial tissue is a continuous sheet of closely packed cells with apical basal polarity and a basement membrane. It is avascular and regenerates rapidly. Types are defined by shape and layering: simple, stratified, and pseudostratified, and by specialized forms such as transitional epithelium. Glands are epithelial derivatives and are classified as endocrine or exocrine. Remember these NCERT lines and the common confusions for accurate answers. For more practice questions, explore EduRev.